So this is Samsung Galaxy A12 and in this video we will be doing a quick review. So let's get started. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Deethika and this is Deethika. So today we will be reviewing this Samsung Galaxy A12. This is a quick hands-on review of Galaxy A12. First, let's talk about external specifications. In the back of the phone, we get a quad camera system with 48 megapixel wide, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth camera. And there's a small flashlight. It uses AI technology also. In the right side of the phone, we get the power button and volume up and downs. In the bottom, we get USB Type-C charger and connector and 3.5 headphone jack. In the front of the phone, we get 8 megapixel front camera. In the back of the phone, we get a texture like this, which feels pretty solid. Holding of this phone feels good to hand, but this does not fit onto a small pocket. The phone works very smoothly with OneUI 3.1 and Android 11. Yes, this phone comes with Android 11. Now let's talk about the camera quality of this phone. These are some footage taken in indoor and outdoors. Overall, the camera captures great detailed footage in medium light and studio light, but it does not capture great footage in low lights. In display settings, there are some cool features, such as icon for sales. It's like True Tone in iOS devices. And there's this feature called Edge Panels, which is very unique to Samsung devices. And also we can switch between dark mode and light mode. This phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery with quick charge support. You can use it for about 3 days with normal use. In this phone, we can get storage up to 128 GB with external micro SD card support. So thank you for watching. Stay subscribed and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.